back a year ago.
YouTube, what's up? So I haven't been able to ride that much lately just because of all the snow, and coming soon it's gonna be pretty bad. Not really bad, but it's gonna be in the single digits, negatives. So it's gonna suck, plus snow. Well, that's supposed to hit Saturday and it should last until Monday. The only reason why I'm out right now is, it's nice weather, 53 degrees, but it's the only reason why I'm out. Here lately it's just been in the 30s for the highs. But yeah, here's my Ruroc helmet that I got. First time to actually wear it. Sorry about my shadow. Yeah, I actually like this helmet. The way it looks. Score from 1 to 10, the way it looks, I'd have to give this one a 10. I like the way it looks. That's just me. I do like the way, it looks, like I said many times already. But other than that, comparing this one to my Bell, for the comfortability, I'm gonna pick my Bell 100% every single day. It's actually comfortable. This one, I don't know what it is. It's the inside. The inside of it, you can't see in there. The way it sits on your head, where your head gets placed on the inside, it's not comfortable at all. It seems like they are lacking on the padding on the roof of it. I guess that's what you'd want to call it. But other than that, it's all right. I'd probably give it maybe a 6 out of 10. Well, you know what? That's a lie. Probably give it, comfortability wise, I'd give it maybe probably a 4.5 out of 10. It's pretty damn low. The only reason why is, like I said, the padding on the inside of it, on the roof. If that was thicker, yeah, I'd give it a higher score, probably like a 7.5, 8. Still not too bad. But I can only compare it to my Bell helmet and my O'Neill, which is for dirt bikes and whatnot. But let's see what else. The chin strap, I'm not really a big fan of the chin strap, because it's magnetized. I'm about to sneeze. Whew. Shit, sorry. But let's see. So you do get a pin lock, little visor deal, fog resistance. It's on the inside. That little clear right here, that's the pin lock, so it doesn't really fog up. And you can remove it and put it on a different visor as well. I do like that. But let's go back to my Bell helmet. Their visors aren't like that. It doesn't come with a pin lock, or at least mine doesn't, and it is fog resistant. So it would be nice if all Ruroc visors were fog resistant. That's just me personally. Let's see. And with the chin strap, I don't know, it's just weird because, for me anyways, it chokes the shit out of me. So that's just for me. Like I said, it's alright. It's a helmet. Is it worth the price that you pay for them? I wouldn't really say so. I mean, should at least knock off maybe $150 at least per helmet. But I mean, they do always have like discounts and sales going on, so that's always a plus. So can't hate on that. But other than that, will I buy another Ruroc? Probably, most likely. But yeah, that's that. That's the Ruroc. But I know I do need to go ahead and put my bike in storage. Probably go get my Grom. Keep that at the house. Anywho, that's that. That's the helmet. It's not too bad. I do like the fact that you've got your Cardo. Well, they are partners with Cardo. So you got your battery right here. It just snaps in. Take it, put it in, take it off. Here's your actual Cardo device. Did end up getting that for free. Is it the best? No, it's not the best. Are the speakers the best? No, they're not the best, but do they work? Yes, absolutely. Oh, I will say one other thing. Where Bell is lacking and Ruroc is actually really good. It kind of sucks for me because I'm in Colorado and I was feeling it too. But the air, you know, you open these bitches up. I had to close mine because it was so damn cold. But you actually feel it. I do get my mount right here from Chin Mount. That still doesn't block the air from coming in right there. But yeah, you do feel the air. You do get a nice little breeze in this helmet, which is awesome. Especially, it's gonna be great during the summertime. Like I said, my Bell. Shit, if I was wearing my Bell today, I'd probably end up being I'd be sweating right now. But that's that. Yeah, let me know if you've got one, a Ruroc, and what your thoughts are. And one other thing, I did get me a camcorder. Haven't had a camcorder or used one. I think the last time, shit, I was probably, I don't know, 6, 10, some shit like that. I did get this one, the Vivitar 8K touchscreen as well, which the touchscreen, it's not the best. The video quality on it, I don't know if it's not the best, honestly. And I'm a retard. I just noticed this. So I didn't like how it felt touching, and I forgot to pull this little thing off. There we go. No wonder why the touchscreen actually sucked. Yeah, so the Vivitar 8K. The only reason why we got the Vivitar 8K is because it's got night vision mode on it, and I have tested that out. It's pretty fucking good, pretty sweet. Could have went with the 4K, but and save a little bit of money. Not much. Like, I think it was like, I would save $30, but hell, I mean, like I said, this has night vision on it, so I was like, fuck it, I'll get it. But I will add a little bit of footage, see how much the zoom can zoom out. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this camera. I did get it at Best Buy, by the way, so. Yeah, I don't know if I like the zoom. Shit. Yeah, my luck, the cops are gonna be called. What are you doing? You can't be videoing. No. Anywho, well, this is a camera. Need to go through the settings and probably make it a little bit better, more crisp. But oh no, it's not too bad. I used it yesterday at Hartsel. Went down south, with my dad to go look at my land, and of course the last road I got to, yeah, it was just all frozen over. There's no way we could have got to my land. I mean, we saw it like from where we were, but no, it's really nice. The altitude is almost 9,000, a few thousand uh, above Denver's altitude. And I did get me a new computer as well. Levino Yoga. So I'm gonna start doing video editing on that and see how much better it is compared to my PC, because I mean Call of Duty is taking up all my damn storage. So anyways, I'm about to jump back on my bike and should either go down 285 for a little bit, turn around and go back home, or either just go back to the house. We'll see.